Hi, welcome to Tech Press. iOS 12 was first revealed at WWDC 2018 and has already gone through several rounds of testing. Finally, the iOS 12 public beta is officially released for download. The OS is not still available for the majority of the users though. Some of you may want to test the version and find out newest features. The new update will bring lots of improvements and features to all iOS devices that support iOS 11. That is the most exciting news about this update. iOS 12 will support all iPhones dating back to the 5s and iPads going back to the first iPad Air and iPad Mini 2. Interesting thing is it has been about 5 years since their release, and this latest update support definitely gives some hope for older device users, and with this update there will be performance improvements. Apps will launch up to 40% faster and the keyboard up to 50% faster on the iPhone 6 Plus. Some of the cool features the update brings include Siri Shortcuts and suggestions, Memoji, group notifications, and group FaceTime. With Siri Shortcuts and suggestions, third-party developers will be able to integrate Siri Shortcuts into their apps. iOS users can also create their own shortcuts through Workflow. You can also run shortcuts with your voice. With Memoji, an alternative to Animoji, users can create various Memoji in their likeness and share them in iMessage. And the group notifications feature keeps all the notifications from one app in a group that you can expand to view all of them. One of the major improvement the update brings is group FaceTime. With this update, FaceTime users will be able to add up to 32 different people to a single call. However, make sure that people you are going to add also use the same iOS 12 preview version. There are definitely more to the update, and if want to participate in the public beta testing and experience the latest features, just head over to the Apple's beta site, sign up as a tester enrolling your device in the iOS 12 public beta, and you will be able to install the beta as software update from your device's settings menu. Make sure you back up your entire device to iTunes or your system before you download the beta version of iOS 12, just in case something wrong happens or you want to switch back to iOS 11. What do you think about latest iOS update? Leave your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe.